Alright, let's go through the warm-up first. Triangle ABC is isosceles with a vertex at angle A. So isosceles triangles, you may recall, have two legs that are congruent, which means they also have two angles that are congruent. Now the vertex angle is the oddball. So this will be angle A, and that measure right there, 32 degrees. Alright? What is the measure of angle B? So angle B is either here or here. Since they're congruent, it doesn't matter which one I pick, so I'll say that's angle B and that's angle C. Now if you want to get all algebra on this, which many of us are prone to do, you can say, okay, well, I know what's true of all these. So for example, if I was looking at the answers here, could it be 32 degrees? Well, that would mean that be 32, 32. Does that sound like a regular triangle to you? No, because the total must be what? 180 degrees, right? So I can tell you right now it's not that one. Oh, definitely not D. In fact, you could probably figure it out without me doing any algebra what it is. But let me go ahead and do the algebra. So I know that 32 plus x has to equal 180, right? I can subtract 32 from both sides. X plus x, well, that's 2x. And here I get 148. And if I divide by 2, I get x equals 74, which is choice C, right there. Okay, a central angle in a circle is 90 degrees. So central means that the angles start, the vertex of the angle is in the center. So if I were to draw an angle, here's the center of my circle, my angle's starting from there. So I could just have one part go up. Now, the number of degrees, that's how big this angle should be. So hopefully you remember 90 degrees is a right angle. Alright? And they say that the length here is 8 pi. That's right here. Alright. Now, I could do arc length formula, but let's make it simpler. What is going to be the whole distance around the circle for this problem? Well, the circumference, we can tell, is 4 of those. 4 times 8 pi, or 32 pi. So all the way around is 32 pi. Hopefully, you should remember the area for the formula, the formula for circumference. It's 2 times pi times r. The other one is also pi times diameter. Same idea. 2 radii are a diameter. The nice thing is when you have pi on both sides like this, you can divide both sides by pi. So now I know 2r is 32. So twice the radius is 32. Probably makes it obvious that it's 16. And it's choice B. Alright. Okay. And the last answer is number 3. Area is base times height. And they want to know what it is, so it's just 100 times 32, or 3200. And that's going to be yards squared, by the way, which is choice D.